What's up, America? Neil here with Geauga Firearms Academy. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to go over a cool product from GeoGrit, and hold your money. This is a very cool minimalist wallet here. This is in their color they call field green. It's like a military OD green. I don't know, it's a cool color. I like it a lot. One of the most important things before I get into the details on how this all works is this right here. It may be hard to see on camera, but as you can see in the bottom of that clip, it says "Made in the USA." So anytime we can support any company that makes stuff here in the US, that is a #1 mission of ours. It's super important. We want to keep as much Americans working and getting quality stuff made here in the US of A that we can. So very excited about that. The construction overall, it seems very, very sturdy. It's a pretty simple concept. It's aluminum plates basically that are connected with a elastic type strap. You can hold up to 12 cards. I've got 5 or 6 in here. I don't know why. I mean, I would never carry 12 cards in here, but you can. It also has a very nice money clip area here. I didn't put any cash in here. I thought that might be distracting to the actual film, but obviously you can put your bills in there if you'd like as well. So let's take a closer look in detail on how we actually access cards and how it all works. Get a sticker in your box, no big deal. So come on in here, let's take a look at this. So you can see the construction is pretty sturdy here. You got 10 screws on this side, another 10 screws on this side. Again, you had the straps holding together. The aluminum seems really, really heavy. As far as operation, there's this thumb opening, and we can just press these guys up, and then you can access all your cards. The cool thing about this is you can take them all out. If you want to put them, I found the best way to do this is I just put one inside. It kind of opens up the whole deal for me, and then I just take the rest of the cards and I just slide them in there. Easy. Again, if you had 12 cards, I mean, going through all these I think would be kind of a pain, but however you want to roll it, they're just saying that they can hold up to 12. The other thing that they talked about is cards that have, this is just a gift card I'm using for the camera, cards that have these, whatever they call them, those little chip looking things. When you put them in there, you don't want to put the chip down here at the bottom, you want to keep it at the top to keep it protected. So the cool thing about this wallet, other than being convenient and minimalist and really well constructed, is it's RFID blocking. So I put a video on here. The audio may not be as good as this one because this is on our professional mic and that one was just on my cell phone. But the best way I could figure to test this out is we have security cards for the police department and secure doors. And so I stuck that in this wallet and see if it would be able to scan it or not. So you can see here on the film. All right, so this is the most scientific way I can figure out how to do this. This is a secured room in our department. So if I scan this, you'll see it turns color, which means that it unlocked the door. So we're gonna put this in the wallet to see if we can protect it from sensing that RFID. So here it is in the wallet. As you can see, nada. So it definitely protects it from being scanned. And you can see it worked perfectly well. So no matter what angle I did, I was literally touching it. Nothing really, nothing got picked up. So I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if that RFID remote tracking stuff or remote stealing your stuff is really a thing anymore. I don't know, but it is a cool feature nonetheless. All right, guys. Well, it's a pretty quick video. It's a pretty simple product. If you're looking for something as a minimalist wallet, even if you still have a primary wallet but just want to put some basic stuff in there, maybe you're traveling, whatever, maybe you use this for work. I found it handy at work because I can just throw a card in there and my ID, you know, and then I'll take my whole wallet. So it's a really cool product. It's well made and of course made here in the US of A, so always support those products. It's from GeoGrit. We'll have the links down below if you want to check them out. You know where to find us here on YouTube. We are now on TikTok. That's right, we're TikTokers. I don't know how well that's going to go, but we'll figure it out. Of course, you can find us on Rumble, Instagram, and we put all our premium content on Patreon. And remember, if you watch a video here on YouTube, that means there's a video that's only going to patrons, okay? Until next time, remember, it's always better to be judged by 12 than carried by 6.